Have you ever wondered how long different foods actually stay inside your stomach? Today's videos will take you on a clear and visually stunning journey through the digestion time of common foods, from the fastest to the lowest. Let's begin. Water digestion time 0 minutes. Water passes through the stomach almost instantly. Watermelon digestion time 20 minutes. This hydrating fruit moves through your system very quickly. Orange digestion time 30 minutes. Citrus fruits digest fast and give a quick energy boost. Cantaloupe digestion time 30 minutes. Light, juicy and easy on the stomach. Grapes digestion time 30 minutes. Another quick digesting fruit loaded with antioxidants. Collard greens digestion time 40 minutes. Leafy greens process slightly slower due to fiber. Apples digestion time 40 minutes. The fiber in apples slows digestion just a little. Cherries digestion time 40 minutes. Small fruit, quick digestion, fast nutrient absorption. Kiwi digestion time 40 minutes. Kiwi digests easily and supports digestive enzymes. Zucchini digestion time 45 minutes. Soft and watery vegetables digest quickly. Cauliflower digestion time 45 minutes. A little more fiber, best still relative fast. Fish digestion time 45 to 60 minutes. Lean protein breaks down faster than red meat. Carrots digestion time 50 minutes. Fibrous vegetables take slightly longer. Salad with oils digestion time 60 minutes. Healthy fats slow the digestion a bit. Cornmeal digestion time 90 minutes. Grains takes more time for the stomach to break down. Oats digestion time 90 minutes. High fiber means slower release of energy. Potatoes digestion time 90 to 120 minutes. Stretchy foods always needs extra time. Lentils digestion time 90 to 120 minutes. Plant protein takes longer due to complex structure. Chicken digestion time 90 to 120 minutes. Animals proteins digest slower than fruits and vegetables. Chickpeas digestion time 90 to 120 minutes. High fiber plus protein equal longer digestion. Beans 120 to 180 minutes digestion times. Dense plant foods take significantly more times. White rice digestion time 120 to 180 minutes. Simple carbs digest slower than expected. Cooked eggs digestion times 120 minutes. Eggs are proteins rich and requires extra breakdown. Milk and dairy digestion times 120 minutes. Lactose requires longer processing time. Nuts digestion time 180 minutes. High fat plus fiber equals slowest plant-based digestion. Beef digestion time 180 minutes. Red meat digests very slow and requires strong stomach acids. Wheat bread digestion time 180 minutes. Whole grain fiber slows down the process. Lamb digestion time 240 minutes. Lamb meat is even slower due to dense protein and fat. Digestion time 300 minutes. Pork has one of the longest digestion time of all common meats. Understanding digestion time helps you choose what to eat and when for better gut health. Thanks for watching Easy Wellness. Stay healthy and stay mindful.